Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see when will the Poco C75 get the HyperOS 2 update. Now to do that, just open the web browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search Mi Global HyperOS. Now from here, just open this website. Now once you open this website, just scroll down until you reach the end of this website. Now once you reach the end of this website, just search the name of the smartphone, the Poco C75. Now from here, just scroll down and search for the name of this smartphone. Now as you can see, we have found the name of the smartphone on this website, which means the Poco C75 will get the HyperOS 2 update. Now the Poco C75 will get the HyperOS 2 update anytime between March and June this year. Now as of right now, the Poco C75 did not receive the HyperOS 2 update yet. And this is how you can check when will the Poco C75 will get the HyperOS 2 update. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.